Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Activecampaign to Clickfunnels. So first let's go to zapier.com/dashboard. I'm going to connect these apps using Zapier. Click on create a zap and then let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be Activecampaign. Select your event. Click on continue and then sign in with your Activecampaign account in Zapier. So follow these instructions. I'm going to skip this for now. And then let's head on to our action. So our action will be Clickfunnels. And let's choose our events. So our event will be add email to list and click continue and then connect with your ClickFunnels account as well. Follow these instructions and that's all you have to do, and then you can publish your zap, and that's how you connect Activecampaign to ClickFunnels. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Oh shit.